So, welcome guys to my YouTube channel Nishni is calling you. Today I am going to deliver a lecturate on the topic AUKUS, a new international relation topic which is in news recently. So, moving forward, guys, I have a question for you. That is question of the day. When was Quad established? And your options are 2010, 2009, 2014 or 2007. For your hint guys, let me give you a clue that it was the same year when India won its T20 World Cup. Hope you got some clue and answer it in the below comment box. So moving forward guys, so these are the following topics which I am going to cover in this video. So stay tuned and watch it thoroughly. So what is AUKUS? AUKUS is a trilateral security pact between Australia, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, announced on 50th of September 2021 for the Indo-Pacific region. So this is the Indo-Pacific region. The area belongs to Indian Ocean. This the area near the Australia and the area Philippines, South China Sea. This all belongs to Indo-Pacific region. For this, the AUKUS, a trilateral security pact, has been signed between these three nations. So this pact will help to Australia to acquire nuclear powered submarines with the help of USA and UK. So guys, these are some important points you have to remember for exam perspective. Joe Biden, who was the 46th president of USA, and Scott Morrison, he is the PM of Australia right now. Boris Johnson, UK president at present scenario. So John Biden belongs to a Democratic Party, and Donald Trump, who was the previous president of USA, belongs to Republican Party. So moving to our next slide, guys. So why this topic is in new? So let me clear you guys. As I already told you, Australia, the UK, and the USA have announced a new trilateral security partnership for the Indo-Pacific called AUKUS. So as a part of this, Australia will acquiring the nuclear powered submarines with the help of UK and the US. So I know that you have a question in your mind that whether these nuclear powered submarines India have. I will also let you know the answer in the next part of this video. AUKUS will also involve a new architecture of meeting and engagement between the three countries as well as the cooperation across emerging technologies like applied artificial intelligence, quantum technologies and undersea capabilities. But these are going to be in uh, later part of the coming future. So what exactly the plan is going to be happen in the AUKUS trilateral pact. So guys, this plan is given access to cutting edge military technology to Australia by its two partners, including futuristic capabilities like AI, cybersecurity and quantum technology. But before moving toward these technologies, what is the first big step is going to take place? This is the USA and UK will share the technology to construct nuclear powered submarines with Australia. At least 8 nuclear powered submarines, but conventionally armed submarines will be operated by the Royal Australian Navy. The Royal Australian Navy is the name of Australian Navy. So guys, Australia will enter a select club of nations with such submarines. So I have the same answer for you guys. In the previous slides, I have tell you that whether India is in these submarines part or not. So yes, the other nation includes India, Russia, France, and China is also using these nuclear powered submarines beside the UK and USA. So Australia is going to be enter into this selected club of nations with the help of USA and UK. So this plan is the plan of nuclear powered submarines is firstly done by USA and shared with the UK. At presently shared with the Australia to acquiring these submarines. So right now we have seen that France is angry or upset regarding these deals or the formation of this group. Why? Let me answer you guys. France was upset by the creation of this alliance as it led to scrapping the deal of 90 billions. 90 billions, approximately 9,000 crore. So guys, this program has been signed in the year 2019 with the Australia to having the 12 French designed submarines. But at present scenario forming these AUKUS group, this deal has been scrapped automatically and France has recalled its envoy to Australia and USA because of this exceptional gravity of the situation. And what is envoy? A kind of messenger or representative of a particular country on a diplomatic missions towards another country. So France has recalled their envoy from the Australia and USA. So this is all about the why France is angry. So, is there anything for India in this? Yes, guys. Quad, whose member is India, is going to get lesser attention for military alliance and seems to be weaker than AUKUS group. As USA is going to be give priority to AUKUS in a kind of military alliance, so Quad is going to be less attention as usual. But in that response, French President Emmanuel Macron telephoned the PM Narendra Modi to discuss cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region against the backdrop of France's anger over the creation of a new security alliance by Australia, the UK and the USA. So, in this response, Modi ji tweeted after the call that he and the Macron had discussed closer collaboration between India and France in the Indo-Pacific and situation in the Afghanistan. So, this is the cutting of the Twitter handle of Aminul Lenien, who was the envoy to India of the France. So guys, this is the whole video regarding AUKUS. Now the answer of the question that I have asked you previously, that when was Quad established, it is in the year 2007, that is option D. The same year when India won the first T20 World Cup. Hope you guys like this video and thank you guys once again for watching my video. If you have any suggestion regarding any content or any feedback, please let me know in the comment box itself. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video with your friends, colleagues, family members and all those who are likely to be gain some knowledge from this video. Once again, thank you.